I have a second assignment with Porsche as head of industrial solutions, and that's the main reason I'm here today at the Smart Manufacturing World Summit. AI is a big driver, but also other automation concepts, and this is my takeaway for today. And with Porsche Industrial Cloud Solutions, we're part of that, offering solutions, and that will also drive into that hyper-automation era.
I came here to talk as speaker about emotional intelligence in order to have a higher performing workplace. The main takeaway I have for this event, I would say there are three. The first is look in your company who can support digital transformation, not only working with consultants or hiring data scientists. The second one, quality of the data is key before trying to digitalize. And the third is the transformation can be possible only with engaged people. So take care of your workforce.
For me, what I wanted to get out of the summit was to see where we stand compared to some of the other industries around. See where the new apps, the new tools, the new developments, so some of the sponsors, what they can deliver, what they've developed new, what progress has been there, and to see what's brand new out of there. So I can update my master planning, and I can update my vision, I can update my roadmap, and just turn it this bit better than what we have today.
We are actually the largest company in the world dedicated to automation, industrial automation, digitalization and cybersecurity.
It's been a very interesting event of thought leadership, listening to a lot of customers here and vendors about what their digitization journey is all about, the challenges, but also about specific use cases and technologies everybody's trying to use. And some of the key themes has been all around data operations and harmonization of various industrial operations coming together.
It's really that it's a mix of companies that are there. We have automotive, we have quite few pharmaceutical company, we have toys company. So I do like this mix of different companies. So my key takeaways for now, it's really around, okay, that's digital, that's data. We have the same maturity in a sense if I compare to automotive, to pharmaceutical, to toy. Data is the fuel, but who is using the data is people. So the key focus on people, and the vision that was bringing by a couple of speakers was really good to highlight that people make the difference.